Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Today is July the 9th. We're out here on our first of two projects today. We're in a place that I've been servicing probably for over 6 years. This is Mrs. Jackson. She's the owner of I Get Juice. She has two locations, one in Snellville and then also one in Lawrenceville. She just opened up early this year. Congratulations again, Ms. Jackson. Ms. Jackson has been a great contribute to my company. She recommends me to a lot of clients. So what we're doing today, guys, is her luxury mounted plank floors. I clean these floors at least once, sometimes twice a year. So that's what me and Tavares are doing today. And then after this, we got to go up in Ackworth, Cobb County area and do a screen and recoat for a move out. So guys, just kind of show you what we got going. So you can see these are luxury mounted plank floors, more like a commercial grade style. You can see I just got through spraying using some of my True Clean. Now what we're going to do is scrub, and then we're going to use our extractor to extract. Job will probably take us maybe an hour, hour and a half. So all right guys, so go ahead and get some good footage. Stay tuned. See the difference? The part we have not even touched yet. All right, haven't even touched this. And let's come on, look at this, guys. Look at this. And the product that I'm using, I actually helped formulate this product with TCS. It's True Clean. I used to clean carpets. Came out with this great, amazing pre-spray. You can use it for carpet, upholstery, tile and grout, and also luxury vinyl plank floors. And you guys can see it is definitely giving a true clean. All right, guys, stay tuned. Hold it for me, T. Yeah. All right, guys, that is gonna do it. Look at Mrs. Jackson's floors now. All right, let me call Miss Jackson, let her know we're done. And thank you guys again. Remember, I Get Juice, Snellville, Lawrenceville, healthy place, great smoothies, smoothie bowls, cold pressed juices, and more. Check them out, guys. So anyway, thank you, Miss Jackson, again. I greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, I just told my next client we're on the way. See you in the next one.